Hi everyone. So this project is over, almost. I mean, kind of. The problem with this was that I didn't know how hard it is to find these handles. If you want to buy one of these on eBay, there's actually like 2 or 3. They're like 45 to 60, which I think is ridiculous to pay that much money for just the handle. So I ended up buying this from a little machine shop, which was extremely cheaper than eBay, and it does the job for me. It's pretty smooth, but I had to make a hole in here and put this pin in order to work, because this is not for this. Anyways, I ordered another one. I'm waiting for it to get on this one. The threading works. This works as well. It's very time consuming. I mean, if you want to go all the way to here, it's gonna take some time. So if I were to keep this, I would have definitely put a stepper motor here. Now, this part is smooth too, not bad. I still have to work on this a little bit, it's a little rough. The gears are in great condition. There was nothing wrong with them. Now this motor is not for this. It's not powerful at all. It will barely run the gears, but it will show how it works. At least it does that. So let's see. I won't be able to cut much with it. I did this part. I can show you how it works. It won't be good. Again, the motor is not good, but that's okay. So you see, it still cuts the essence part as it goes. Still kind of like it. I'm not going to get a motor for it because I'm not planning to keep it. I'm going to sell this. I have a Harbor Freight 7x10 lathe, which I think is much better for me than this. I can do a little bit more maneuver with that one than this. And this one is way more louder. And I need to get all these belts and motor, but that one already has everything on it, the Harbor Freight one. There you go, that's it. Thanks for watching.